I like ballad the most when jazz among the kinds of music because there are many stories in the music. Because I think ballad is the song that can convey such a story the best. Also, I like the quietness of ballad. Listening to ballad that sound like speaking calmly makes me feel at easy. Of course, jazz is good, but for many reasons, ballad came to me more attractive than jazz. I hate rock more than hip hop among music genre. I don't like both genre of music because they are fast. But the reason why I hate rock more than hip hop is that, as I said before, I like to listen to stories with songs, so I don't like it because I can't hear it in rock.